Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 10 May 2022, and today's my topic name is set and map. So let's discuss about. In collection, the part of map and set. Uh, Explain set interface. The set interface, the java.util package provides the set interface. The set is implemented by extending the collection interface. It does not allows the add the same element to it maintain the insertion order because the it contains elements in a sorted manner for designing the mathematical set. You use the set interface in Java. The set interface are not allows to unique or not allows duplicate values uh, in Java. Uh, Second one is a map interface. The map interface is an important interface available in the collection interface. In order to use the map interface, we have to extend the collection interface, just like set map is also used for storing collection of object uh, as a single unit in Java. Each object is stored in key and value pair. We can easily access the values using just the key because each value is associated with the unique values in Java. Then use of set. The set is used to construct the mathematical set in Java, and map is used to the mapping the database in Java. It cannot contains repeated values. Uh, the set is cannot contain repeated values in Java. It can have the same values for different keys are available. We can easily iterate the set elements using the key set and the entry set method in Java. The map elements cannot be iterated. Iterated. We need to convert for map into set for iterating the elements in Java. That's all about today's topic. I hope we can understand. Thank you.